Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up competitor monitoring with SpyFu, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up competitor monitoring with SpyFu, begin by visiting the SpyFu website. Create an account if you haven't already. Log in to your newly created account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the domain of the competitor you wish to monitor. Click on the search icon or press enter to see the results. Review the overview of the competitor's performance metrics. Explore the keywords that your competitor is ranking for. To set up alerts, look for the competitor alerts section on the left sidebar. Click on the Set Up Alerts button. Enter the competitor's domain again. Select the specific metrics you want to be alerted about. Choose how often you wish to receive these alerts. Save your settings to activate the alerts. Next, visit the Keyword Research tab in the sidebar. Type in keywords relevant to your industry. Analyze the results and see which keywords your competitors are targeting. Click on the SEO Research tab. Review the domains that are competing for the same keywords. Identify any trends or opportunities among the competitors. Utilize the PPC Research tab to monitor your competitors' paid advertising efforts. Take note of their ad copy and strategies. Consider using the Backlinks tab to analyze link building tactics employed by your competitors. Compile the data you find into a report for ongoing analysis. Regularly check your alerts for any significant changes in your competitors' metrics. Adjust your strategy accordingly based on the insights gathered. Take advantage of SpyFu's tools to refine your own marketing efforts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.